Hey everyone, let me show you guys how amazing Canva is in terms of removing the background. Let's pull up a social media here and Instagram post. We can choose photos here. Let's say woman. Let's use this one. Then go to edit image, background remover. So nagpa-process na siya. The process, it depends on the internet. Kung mahina yung internet mo, medyo matagal-tagal. And boom! So, napakalinis ng pagkatanggal ng background niya. Click on apply. And then, antayin nyo yung saving post na matapos. Ang linis, diba? So, ganyan kung paano mag-remove ng background si Canva. Super linis. And then, you can use this photo to your YouTube thumbnail. You can use this photo as your profile picture. Pwede nyo i-edit yan. And then, yeah. And then, I will show you quick, guys, how you can highlight this one. I mean, how you can put outline. Go to shadows, click on glow, and then tap the control. You can increase the transparency, remove the blur effect. You can adjust the size here. Then you can change the color. Let's say we want to use white, and click on apply. And then again, antayin yung matapos yung saving post. Then, let's click on the background, change the color. So, para makita natin yung outline. Okay. So, yeah, you can use this to your YouTube thumbnail, sa paggawa ng YouTube thumbnail. Or you can use this as your profile picture, Instagram profile picture. Alright? So, yeah, if you want to try Canva Pro, guys, you can use my link on the description below kasi hindi ito available sa Canva free account. Thank you for watching. God bless and good day, everyone.